Hi, hello, welcome to Jalil Begum Academy channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to design a full adder step by step using MATLAB Simulink. First, we open MATLAB and open the Simulink. Select a blank Simulink model. Okay, and after that, I am going to save this model first. Okay, make it full adder. Okay, before that we will go through the requirements. I've done a requirement in here. Full adder can be designed by using two half adders and a OR gate. First we will start to design a half adder. For this we have two inputs A and B. We need to have one block which is XOR gate and one is AND gate, and the outputs are two outputs, sum and carry. Okay, this is the truth table. Inputs 2 and outputs 2. Okay, these are when A is 0, B is 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. When A is 0, B is 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. When both A are 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, this is obtained by using this formula. Okay, in the similar way we have for full adder we have this truth table A, B and C. For full adder we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs, and we do the same, but it has 8 possibilities because we have 3 inputs. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, that's why we have 8 possibilities here. And then first we design one full adder, one half adder, and after that we design the full adder by using two half adders and a OR gate. For that we can go through library. Okay, we can use these library blocks, or we can just type in the window. Okay, just type the windows, will get. Okay, continuously get to the logical and bitwise. Okay, in which we select the logical and we'll just drag and drop here. Okay, once it is done, we need one AND gate. I will make visible. Go right click, go to format. Okay, show block on. We will keep the block name on. What I'll do is I will control drag and drop to create a copy. We need one XOR gate. Okay, double click on the AND gate, it will open up a block parameter in which go to the operation and we select XOR gate with two inputs. Okay, and also we can select the icon shape. If you want rectangular, if you want distinctive, you can select the distinctive as well. For the moment I will have a rectangular. Apply. Okay, and we need two inputs and two outputs. For that we'll just type input. Okay, Okay, and name it as A and control shift. Okay, this 2 and name it as B input. Then we need 2 more blocks. It is output, output 1, control, drag and drop to get the other one. I will make this block name visible on, make this block name format, show block name on. Okay, and I will name it as yes some carry. In this I will connect these. Okay, A, B here. A should be connected to the first input of AND gate, and B should be connected to the second gate of AND gate. Okay, this is the half adder we have done. What I will do is I will make these into a one block by selecting all, and the right side just say create subsystem. It will create a subsystem. The logic will go inside and it will look like a properly arranged way. Okay, and I will name it as half adder. Okay, press Control D for compiling your model. Okay, no warnings, no errors, means our model is okay. Then according to our requirement, we have done the first one, we have created the half adder. We will now design the full adder. For this I need 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. Okay, we have created 1 half adder. I will just press Control, drag and release, make a half adder, and we need a logic gate. Okay, logic operator. Okay, this should be OR gate. Okay, just double click on it. It will show the block parameter and select OR gate. Okay, right click. I will make this slow block on. Alright, and according to our requirement, we connect these. We can make this sum and carry out. Yeah. There is one more input. There is one more input. Just I will select, Control, select, release, paste, and it will be one more input, which is C in. Okay, and I will connect these two, first input of second half adder, and I will connect the first output sum to second input B of half adder, and according to our logic, carry should be, both carry should be ORed. Okay, then I will connect this sum output, this carry output. Okay, I will arrange everything properly so that it will look okay. This is our full adder. I will save it. This is similar here to our design, and what I will do is I will make the whole logic into a subsystem, select all and create a subsystem. Okay, and better arrange everything in order. Okay, I will make this full, rename it as full adder. Okay, press Ctrl D to compile our model. Model is working fine, no errors. We make this one. Okay, this is the simple way, step by step. In this video I have shown you step by step how to create a full adder by using two half adders and a OR gate. Thank you very much guys for your time to watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.